Are you thinking about making a move to Venice, Florida, and you want to have a very reasonably priced condo, townhome, or villa that has great amenities and is very close to the beach? Well, in today's video, we're going to show you in and around Bird Bay Village out here in Venice, Florida. We're going to show you 3 different condos, all under the mid 300,000s, and we're going to get after it right now. If this is your very first time to Florida Gulf Coast living and you want to know everything there is to know about eating, sleeping, working, playing, the good and the bad of living along Florida's Gulf Coast, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to get all of the current market updates in and along Florida's Gulf Coast. Hi, I'm Lori, and Todd, the team, and I get calls every day from people just like you looking for help in making their move to one of our beautiful cities along Florida's Gulf Coast. We absolutely love it. So whether you're moving in 9 days or 9 months, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to help you make a smooth move to Florida's Gulf Coast. So as I mentioned today, we are back in Venice, Florida, and we're coming to you from Bird Bay Village. Now, Bird Bay Village is about 2 miles away from a lot of the places that you would want to visit down here. It's 2 miles away from the great beaches. It's about 2 miles away from the Legacy Trail if you're into biking and hiking. And it also has incredible amenities. This is a village made up of 8 different condo associations. There is a total of 1,026 units back here, and right now there are about 38 ones for sale. They range in price from the very low 200,000s up to the mid 300,000s, and we're going to show you 3 different ones today. But if you look behind me, you can see that we are just outside of their amenity center. I'm going to tell you a little bit about what their amenity center covers. There is a 5.2 acre facility. It has a resort style pool. It has a clubhouse. It has pickleball and tennis courts back behind me that way. It has a fitness center. It has a library. It has shuffleboard and bocce courts. And it's just, for a reasonably priced place for either a second home or for moving down here, it is just a great spot. So I'm going to flip this around. I'm going to walk through here and show you a little bit of footage of what is around here. And then we're going to hop in the car and we're going to head on over to 3 different condos and show you what it is that you can get for a very reasonable price down here. Our first condo that we're going to talk about today back here in Bird Bay is in the Cardinal. It is a top floor end unit, corner unit. It is 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, 940 square feet, was built in 1976, and it's listed at $260,000. It has been completely remodeled inside, and it does come, while it doesn't have covered parking, it does come with a dedicated parking spot. So let me show you all the way around. It's very quiet back here. It is beautifully landscaped, and you are right next to the amenity center. So within easy walking distance of the Amenity Center. But right now, let's hop in the car and we will head over to our second condo unit and show you what's available over there. Our second condo unit here in Bird Bay is part of the coveted Phase 1 back here. It is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,104 square foot condo. It was built in 1978. It has a $714 a month HOA, and it is also within walking distance to the Amenity Center, just on the other side of the circle. It has, like all of them in here that are available, it has been completely remodeled, and it is listed at $279,000. So let me show you this little neighborhood all around us. They are resurfacing the blacktop back here. This one does, however, come with covered parking and storage units for each of the condos here. So this is more of a townhouse style, but they are condos. Lots of different options. But right now, let's hop in the car and let's go see what our third option is back here. Our third and final condo for today back here in Bird Bay is an end unit also. It's also been completely remodeled, but it's also the largest one available back here right now. It is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo, comes with covered parking and storage. It's 1,365 square feet. Again, a little bit different style. I'm going to show you all the way around back here. It's very, very quiet back here. Beautiful mature growth. Your HOA fee has really kept this area up nicely. Just a lot of different types of offerings back here, basically from $200,000 to the mid $300,000s. So if you have any questions at all on Bird Bay Village, condos in Venice, homes in Venice, or really anywhere along Florida's Gulf Coast, give us a call, shoot us a text, send us an email, schedule a Zoom. We'd love to answer any questions that you might have. And until next time, we hope to see you around town.